A very good morning to everyone. I wish you all a very happy 78th Independence Day. I request His divine blessing of Sri Taravadu Jagadguru Dr. Shivamurti Shivacharya Mahaswamiji. Respected teachers, honorable guests, parents, Panchayati presidents and members, citizens of Sirigere and surrounding villages, friends and all gathered here today. Freedom shines brightest when we celebrate Independence Day. As we celebrate Independence Day today, let us renew our commitment and serving to our country with the dedication and the passion. Let us strive to make our country a great leader in every field and build a nation characterized by peace, prosperity and happiness to the every citizens. It is a big honor for me to stand before you on this historical day and pay a tribute to those who made our country what it is today. Of freedom, justice and equality to the every citizens in our nation. 15th August is our Independence Day. It is written in the history as a gracious day. On this day, when we breathe the fresh air of independence, Gandhi and Ahimsa were the magic words of the victor. In the Boros Republic, Netaji, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Lala Lajpat Rai, Rani Lakshmibai, Kitturani Channamma and many others were the petals of the rose. Always we must remember our national heroes and pay our gratitude to those who noble souls and who made our country independence. And then the feeling of Indonesia bind us together. So be like an Indian, live like an Indian and love to each other like an Indian. The freedom is the precious gift of our freedom fighters. Our great freedom fighters like Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Rani Lakshmibai, Kitturani Channamma and many others spent their entire life to get the freedom of our country. It took the sacrifice of many lives and they struggled from 1857 to the 1947 in an Indian soldier Mangal Pandey in the British force. He first raised his voice against the independence, against the British to get the independence from the British rule. Later several freedom fighters spent their whole life to get the independence. The speech should focus on highlighting and covering all the important points that about the struggles of leaders and how they get the independence from the British rule and much more. We have to work out to make a better place. Freedom soldiers said that about the independence. Mahatma Gandhi said that freedom never dare at any price. It is a breath of our life. And what would a man not pay for living? Netaji said that you give me a blood, I will give you our independence. And
Bala Gangadhar
Tilak said that Swarajya is my birthright, I shall have it. And Chandrasekhar Azad said that when the judges asked questions, he said, my name is Azad, my father name is Swatantra and my residence is jail. Remember that when he said this sentence, he was just a 12 years old boy. B.R. Ambedkar said that we are all Indians, firstly and lastly. If whether we are rainy or sunny, we must and should celebrate the Independence Day. The waving of flag in the wind symbols the freedom of our country. Remember that united we stand, if we divided we fall. Independence serves disputes as a difference in culture, language and tradition, but we are one nation. Children should get dressed up with struggled leaders and freedom fighters to give the speech on this great day. we got independence. After we got the independence, we got all our fundamental rights. And give a big salute to those noble souls and who gave the freedom to our country. It is an independent country. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you one and all. Once again, happy Independence Day.